All right. Let's check our sauce. This is garlic powder, onion powder. So this is the only Love Real Madrid. Hi, how are you doing? Please, if you join us, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, then connect to each other. Connect to everyone you see here, so that we can also support you. This is onion powder and this is garlic powder. So our sauce is done. We are not making overcooked pizza sauce, no. It's done. Some people even don't put on fire. They just mix their ketchup, tomato, puree, simple. Oh, the taste is fantastic. Oh, come on. The taste is sweet. Please connect to each other. Okay, the pizza sauce is done. We don't need overcooked pizza sauce, you see. The phone is having low battery, so it has closed. The light has closed. You don't see it well. Yeah, it's overheat. I don't know. Let me open the oven. All right. I hope you are watching so that you can try some very simple recipe. Yeah. I did not create thumbnail. Yeah, because so if you can see the thumbnail there is my old thumbnail. So I'm creating new. Then after I will change the thumbnail so that it will correspond. Yeah. YouTube algorithm can connect it and spread for me. Yeah. So this is my baking pan. I'm greasing it with oil and flour. You see the dough?